everybody, this is Donna Bancroft and I'm the librarian here at Beal University. Today we're going to talk about how to find sources for your research, and I'm going to go from our library webpage or our library guide, and I'm going to click on Finding Magazines and Journal Articles using the digital Maine library database. When I click on that link, you'll see there's lots of information on this page for you. And the Maine digital library databases are a set of databases that are available to all of us, and they cover a wide variety of topics. But today we're going to look at one of the general databases, and I always recommend that people start out with this one. If you need a more specific database that's related more to your topic, look through the list, and there may be something that you can use there too. But let's start with Academic OneFile. I'm going to click right here. And you'll see it takes me right to the database. And Academic OneFile is a large generalized database with lots of information on lots of different topics. So I would recommend to click on the advanced search feature first before you do your search. And it gives you lots of options that you don't have on that front page. So I'm going to put in ethics and research. And you'll see on the drop-down menu here, it asks me if I want something a little more specific. So that's a good way to sort of start out. It may be that you're doing crime statistics or statistics and research. But right now we're going to just use our ethics and research. And I'm using it in a keyword, which is what you would want to do too. So I'm going to click on search right here. And you'll see that it brought up 23,234 articles, and that's a lot of articles. But if you come up here, you'll see it breaks it down by magazines, books, and newspaper articles, and they actually throw in a few videos for you too. Now, for some of your classes, you may only be required to use peer review material, and I'm going to show you how to sort of narrow for that right away. So if you come over to the right-hand side right here, you'll click on peer-reviewed journals. I'm going to click right here, and you'll see it redid my search for me. And now I'm down to 19,420. It's still a lot, and there's a way to narrow it down that we'll talk about in a more advanced video. But the other good thing is you'll notice by default that it clicks on the full text documents. What this means is you can print the whole article out right from the database right here. And you can also email it to yourself too, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So I'm just going to click on maybe the second one down right here, just to give you an example of what you'll see when you click on an article. So first I get the abstract, and then as we scroll down, you'll see the entire article starting with the introduction, and then the rest of the topics are all right here. So again, this is the same information you would get if you were actually looking physically at the journal article. From this page, there's a couple of other things you can do that will really be helpful. One of them is if you click on this little right here where it says Cite, you will see that there are a couple of different options on how to use the citation tool. And we use the APA 7th edition for our citations at Beal. So if I click on that, you'll see that it formats the entire citation for me. And all you have to do is cut and paste that into your research paper. So all you have to do is click on select, or you can cut and paste, you can highlight it and cut and paste it. So that alone should be very, very helpful. I know that this can be a challenging thing, how to figure out how to construct the citation, but if you use this database, it's already done for you. Another thing I'm going to show you right here is the Send To button, and this is a way that you can email the article to yourself or to your Google Drive. So again, these are very helpful tips. You can download it to your computer, or you can just print it right out. So in a nutshell, that's how you use these databases, or this database anyway, and it can be very helpful for journal articles that you need for your research. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at dbancroft, BANCROFT, @beal.edu. Thank you very much.